It takes a lot of elves, 11,000 to be exact, to sort through the avalanche of packages descending on this giant UPS facility outside Chicago.
On a typical day in the summertime, we process about 14 million packages. Here we sort about 1.4 million. Today, our peak day, we're looking to sort somewhere between 1.7 and 1.8 million packages.
The Chicago Area Consolidation Hub, or CATCH, is ground zero for UPS. All packages heading across the U.S. pass through this center. They arrive here by air, by truck, and by train. Workers first hand-check packages by computer to make sure destinations and zip codes match on their barcoded labels. Then the packages make their way over some of the 65 miles of conveyor belts where they are sorted mechanically 3 more times. The entire trip takes about 15 minutes. UPS says the technology it has here allows it to constantly monitor the system and make changes, a necessity on a frantic day like this.
We can not only tweak things on a daily basis, but we can actually make ongoing changes to tactics as we're moving.
On an average day, UPS handles about 6% of the nation's gross domestic product. But during the holidays, especially a day like today, the company estimates it handles about 9% of the nation's GDP. The internet is a big reason. Analysts estimate online shopping will increase 85% this holiday season over last. UPS partly credits online shopping for the additional 200,000 packages it expects to handle on this peak day versus last year's.
We'll deliver more than 50% of everything that's ordered over the internet during this holiday season. So it's having a very dramatic effect on our business right now, and we believe going forward it'll have an even bigger impact.
Once processed, the packages are then reloaded onto trucks, trains, and airplanes. Within days, they'll wind up at homes and businesses, hopefully just in time for the holidays. Diane Estabrook, Nightly Business Report, Hodgkins, Illinois.